Ooh, I love this.
Okay, let's test your and our legal knowledge right now.
We're playing case or not a case with whom?
Tom Merriman from Merriman Legal. Always good to see you.
Great to be here. You guys are getting so good at this. It's
Oh.
intimidating for me to come up with these.
He's
time
Yeah,
after
he's
time.
really, yep. Okay, you're welcome back anytime.
All right, ready?
Yes, this first one, I love that you're capitalizing on the latest.
Exploiting
hit.
what's popular
Yes.
here. All right, here we go. Ken and Barbie have been dating for 6 years, and they are madly in love. In fact, Barbie is so enamored with Ken that she voluntarily sends Ken explicit photos of herself.
What are explicit photos?
Well, it's morning TV, David. So I'll say this: we all know what Barbie looks like, so maybe it's not that explicit. But she sends explicit photos of herself. But
without the wardrobe.
The key is voluntarily sends them. But one day Barbie goes on a trip to the big city, discovers a world she never knew, decides she wants more out of life, comes back and dumps Ken. And Ken is devastated. He's angry. He's upset the patriarchy cannot save him. And he decides to post those explicit photos of Barbie online to embarrass her. Does Barbie have a case against Ken?
Yes. If she doesn't, man, there is some serious trouble here.
And it sounds to me like it's a form of battery.
Battery? Interesting. Well, do you think it's a case?
I think
because
so.
Judge Natalie, she's pretty clear without hearing any more. That's
there
a
is
case.
a case. I mean,
there's got to be some way.
She might lock him up just for principle, but
she would knock him out.
Ryan Gosling would never do this, but go ahead.
But you would never do that either.
No.
She does have a case. You know, we try to make these silly stories, but this is a very serious issue. In Ohio, revenge porn, they call it, is not only a crime, it's also now a civil claim. So the victim can seek compensatory and punitive damages if those photos were disclosed without consent. So even if she consented to sharing them with Ken or did them voluntarily, it doesn't matter.
Because he weaponized it.
He weaponized it, yes. And now there's a new federal law as well. So this is something I think is going to get a lot of attention over the coming years as people unfortunately act out online.